The EL-ELYON Institute, with the support of the Education Department of Bhoi College, Nongpoh, had organized a career guidance and motivational session at the college premises on the 14th of December 2021. The program had been organized as part of the 50th year celebration of the state of Meghalaya in 2022. Many students who attended the career guidance program had benefited from listening to Reverend B.B. Kemdej, who had spoken on motivation, and to Dr. A.W. Rani of Synod College, who had given them an insight into various career opportunities through the career guidance session.
We will believe in our potentiality. We don't believe in our strength. Ni pwede siya, ni pwede ni kuha ang mga manhattan, kajili, mapagkat punta, na malutuyan ang proses yung mundi. Hindi yan ang proses yung mundi. Ang result, yung consequence, kapatala.
Since now you are already in BA first semester, you have plenty of time to think about it. And by the time you go for your 5th semester, you are enrolled in the 6th semester, you should start applying. Because other universities, it's not like NEHU, their admission notice is much earlier than what NEHU used to give. So therefore you have to be alert, you have to check the websites of the different universities because it will not come in a newspaper. So you have to check the different websites. Just type in the Google admission notice for PG program in so-so subject or so-so discipline, then so many universities will appear there and you can check and you can see. If you are not sure about it, you can always talk to your teachers or your friends or your family members at home who may know better.